Our esteemed customers, we welcome you to Kisa Projects Virtual Training. I know most of you are now locked up in your houses, but we would love to tell you we shall continue training our people here virtually via Zoom and other social media platforms. As you can see, we are all set. We have everything in place. You're welcome. Those that are willing to come for physical training, you can come to our offices. Our offices are still open from 8 to 4. That is for the lockdown period. But after that, we shall resume to our normal working hours of 8 to 6. Those that need special training, of course, we can send you our trainers. They can come to your home and train you. And those that are willing to come to our offices, please make sure you wear your mask. If you have a sanitizer, move with it. As well, we have sanitizer around here, but you can move with yours as well. I remain Mwanguzi Paul, Marketing Manager, Kisa Projects. Bakasitoma baffe abaagalwa tubaaniriza nnyo ku Kisa Projects. Waliwo bakasitoma baffe abamu batasobola kuva gye muli nga muli wala, naye tutaddewo enkola ey'okubasomeseza mu virtual training mu luzungu oba okubasomeseza ku Zoom, enkola eya Zoom. Obeerewo yo gy'oli, ffe ne tukutraininga nga bwe interactinga naffe, obuuza ebibuuzo ne tukuddamu. Kati n'abasobola okuba nga mujja ku offices tubatrainingire wano, tubaaniriza. Offices zaffe zikyali nzigule okuva ku ssaawa 2 ez'okumakya paka ssaawa 10 ez'olweggulo. Ekyo kya lockdown yokka. Wabula lockdown bw'eneeba ewedde tujja kuba tuddayo ku nkola yaffe eya bulijjo kuva ku ssaawa 2 paka ssaawa 12 ez'olweggulo. Ate era eri abatasobola kujja tusobola okubaweereza trainer waffe n'abatrainingire ewammwe. Abamu ku mmwe osobola okuba ng'obeera mu bitundu ebitali bya wala nnyo ebyo bye bataggalirayo nga Kampala ne Wakiso. Tusobola okuweereza trainer najja nakutraininga. Ate abaagala okujja tubeegayiridde jangu ne maskio ne sanitizer wo bw'oba osobola, naye nga naffe wano tulinawo waffe. Nsigadde Mwanguzi Paul okuva ku Kisa Projects. Welcome to Kisa Projects, the home for entrepreneurs. Now, my dear customers and my dear friends, I want to inform you, Kisa Projects is here to equip you with all the skills you need as far as entrepreneurship is concerned. Very many people have been asking questions. Can I start a business? Can I own one? Can I sustain it? Yes, you don't need a lot of money to sustain a business. Many of you fear to start businesses, and that is the main problem people have. But if you start, it will be there. Come to Kisa Projects. We shall always help you, and we are here to help you sustain your business. We have a number of projects that we offer to people. As you can see behind me, this is just a sample of them. We have a few of them here, but we can as well give you our brochure, and you view and you choose the one you like. Thank you for watching us. God bless you.